Unit 4, Lesson 3, Multiplying and Dividing Integers. When multiplying and dividing integers, we use the same rules. That means it doesn't matter if we're multiplying or if we're dividing, they go by the same rules. If the signs are the same, the product or quotient, meaning the answer to multiplication or division, is positive. If the signs are different, the product or quotient is negative. There are a couple of different ways to remember this. One of them is by using a triangle. When we use the triangle, I like to put my negative signs in the bottom and my positive on top. It does not matter which order you put these in. You can put a negative sign in the top and the positive sign in one of the bottom corners, but you must have two negatives and one positive. If we are multiplying or dividing a positive number with a negative number, we cover those two signs, and the leftover sign will be our answer, a negative answer. So a positive times a negative equals a negative. However, if we have a negative times a negative, or divided by a negative, then our answer will be a positive answer. Also, we can use three different circles. The first circle would have two positives that look a little bit like eyes that are wide open. And I like to tell a story that the person with their eyes wide open are awake and happy. Likewise, if we have another person and they have two negative eyes, meaning their eyes are closed and they're getting plenty of rest, they're also going to be very positive and happy. However, if we have a third person and they have one eye open and one eye closed, meaning they're half asleep, half awake, they're going to be very grumpy and have a negative attitude. So those are just some different ways to help remember that if you have the same signs, then your answer is positive. If you have different signs, your answer is negative. This would be a great time to pause and watch the two videos that are linked with the QR code on your notes. The first is multiplying positive and negative numbers, and the other is dividing positive and negative numbers.